Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y76. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to Voice Match and enable OK Google. Tap Next, Agree, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, Finish, and go back. Enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say OK Google, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Talk in English.
Stock the good sor merchandise kept on the premises of a shop or warehouse.
Talk in English.
Для этого нужно разблокировать устройство.
Okay, I'll respond to you in English from now on.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 20 and a low of 8.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.